When you start SQL Server Management Studio and you get the Connect to Server login window with a blank text box for server name. You may have tried several combinations to connect SQL Server but still get invalid server name error, then you are in right place. I will help you to resolve this issue. For this, click on arrow icon next to server name dropdown. Then click on Browse for more option from the dropdown. Then just expand Database Engine and then select the first option. It will be your server name. Then click on OK button. Then click on Connect button to connect server. If you get this error, then we have to enable Trust Server Certificate. For this, click on Options as shown here. Then under Connection Properties, check in Trust Server Certificate. Then click on Connect button. You can see I am successfully able to connect to server. Right-click on Server and then select Properties. Then select General on the left pane. Then look at Server row and here you will get the name of server as shown here. In this way we are able to find server name in SSMS. This much for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon to never miss any update.